Hey guys, how to fix a problem with 3G or 4G to load internet data faster. Let's get started. First, open the settings, next choose mobile data and tap mobile data options. After that, choose voice and data. And here, if you have 3G mobile data, switch it to LTE because LTE equals 4G and LTE loads data faster. If you have LTE connection here, then try to use the second way to fix your problem with low mobile data. Back to the settings, and in the settings find General. Click General Settings, then swipe down, and here tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click Reset, and here choose Reset Network Settings. Click Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode, confirm that you want to reset network settings, and after that your problem can be fixed. If the problem still exists, you can call to network support and they will say that the area you live currently support or doesn't support 4G services. If your network doesn't support 4G services in your area, then you can try to jump on another mobile operator that has a more stable connection in your area. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you soon.